how to draw dreadlocks slash box braids on a character. So first things first, you just want to get a nice oval shape going. You want to get a nice shape for the head, and then you want to start drawing the partings in the hair, and you'll see why people call them box braids or box locks or whatever you call them. So I added a bun of dreadlocks onto the back of his hair, and to do this I just created an oval shape and added some lines onto them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some dreadlocks down the front of the hair, and I'm going to bring some of them to the back, towards the back as well. And I'm also making sure that all the little strands of hair are at least in the middle of the boxes. So now you can add some little dark shadings in if you want to. Make sure the lines are sort of pyramid shape on the box itself, because the hair is really like in a triangular shape when it comes down to when it's about to hit the braid itself, you know. It's not all the way flat. Then you can start working on the braid itself. You can think of it as like a water pump going down, so you want to make it very pumpy in shape, you know. Pull out the pumpy. Yeah man, come on. Oh, shush man. But yeah, just kind of follow my lead, you know. And again, no matter how much of a nice cut you get, nice trim you get, it's never really gonna properly be straight. So as you can see here, I kind of like made it kind of frizzy and very rigid. You made that box rigid to get that nice hair effect, you know. And I continue that pyramid thing I was talking about, where the head, the box itself turned out like a pyramid. And as you can see, I'm using that same water pump technique I just mentioned. Start shading it in. Well, not shading, more just toning it in, using a pencil to scribble on it. You don't really have to shade in each braid of hair individually, but I just like it, you know, just because it gives us that sort of 3D effect and that sort of lighting effect when you leave it out just by shading in a few directions. Now we're going on to the other strand of hair, and we're using that same crooked technique with the box. I'll make that strand go down. Use that same pumpy technique. And as you can see here, I'm just basically using previous techniques that I've mentioned, you know, the rigid part, the triangle part, pumpy part, and you know, you get the hang of it, you know. Just follow my lead, guys. It'll be light work. So basically the steps were pyramid, pumpy, pyramid for the box, pumps for the braids, and then add some shading in. I mean, you know, I don't really get why people tighten their things so much, but I guess it stays in longer, you know. When mine's tight like that, it just hurts, man. Oh, I just dropped my pencil there. Well, yeah, as you can see, I'm doing that same kind of technique for the pump part, you know, doing little sideburns here. Add some nice sideburns. I actually forgot to color in one of the boxes there. As I look back on the footage, I forgot to color in it. So yeah. Okay guys, my bad. So I actually decided I was going to get rid of that bun and go for more you know, just tied up dreadlocks lying at the back and coming down to his shoulders. So basically what you want to do is you kind of just want to follow my steps. You know, look at the way the dreadlocks are just falling downwards. You know, I like to make them very crooked as well, because dreadlocks aren't very straight like that, they're very crooked. So you just want to outline them like normal. I always outline it first, you know, try to draw lightly. get the real overall shape of them down first, and then you can start shading it later. Draw a little headband at the back, and then we'll use every single technique I just went over on these dreadlocks. So let's go. She showed me Ethiopia, I took her around the south, reintroduced our mouths to curry and dragon stuff. Guinness punch became the flavour that helped us to reminisce. I've started growing locks, but they started out as twists. The kiss of death is when you get a message. And when I speak of shading techniques, like as you can see here, I just did a nice little hatch coming off the top of it, Jesus, just to give it more of a dreadlock effect, you know. And so yeah, that's how you draw dreadlocks, guys. Box braid dreadlocks, or box locks, or whatever you call them. I just call them box locks, yeah, because that's basically what they are. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. You know, I might be doing a shorter version of this on TikTok, so stay tuned for that. And make sure to subscribe, guys. You know, it costs nothing. Like, if you think about it, it really costs nothing to subscribe, you know. So yeah, if you do that, if you like the video, and oh my days. Anyways, yeah, bye guys.
You were so special, got me a little unsettled. Let me take a step back, assess the rest. I confess, I wasn't at my best. Too. Then I saw you writing haikus for two. Autumn leaves fall through, settling in dew. Calm for a second, a refuge from the blues. Hold me down like you weigh a ton. Never mind my immature tongue, cause I told you, you are my precious one. Till the sky grows old and the moon sees